I've had a lovely day today playing around with Microsoft BI, that's the business intelligence. So if you've ever done any of our courses on Excel and you've got as far as the level 3 gurus, you should really think about whether you need to do more on BI. BI is for people who have a lot of data, so lots of things to cleanse and clean up and sort out, and it makes it really easy to use. So watch my short video and I'll show you some of the things that we teach and you can learn in Microsoft Business Intelligence. One of the skills that we teach on our Level 4 Business Intelligence course is how to combine data when you have many files in a folder that you'd like to stack up one on top of another like this, and manipulate all those rows into a pivot table. And we can do lots more from there on in. So starting from the beginning, we're going to go to the data ribbon and choose Get Data from Folder. And we'll pick out our files containing all those rows of data. What we'll end up with once we've transformed our data and cleaned it up is a repeatable process. We can later throw more files into that folder and they'll also end up in our pivot table. Excel's capable of dealing with massive amounts of data now. If you look at this file where I've combined all those smaller files from the folder, there's more than 58,000 rows of data. That's why it's a good idea to organise it in such a way that you can understand what the data is telling you, and pivot charts are so useful for that. This is an example of list box control. As you select different options, different charts show. This is one of the skills that we teach you how to build this as part of a dashboard in our Excel Level 5 Dashboards course. Our Level 6 BI Visualization course shows delegates who have completed our Level 4 BI course how to develop their visualizations using the desktop application. We'll create the DAX formulas and measures to work out gross profit and gross profit percentage and many other useful metrics, and we'll learn how to display this on the interactive dashboard. We'll be joining fields from different files using relationships and learning what types of relationships you need to combine data from different sources. We'll look at most of the visualizations you can use and how to format those, and we'll use the data that we transformed on our Level 4 course.